Want to set up your booth or stand in Roblox? PLS donate so you can start raising Robux? Here's how to claim and set up your stand in just a few quick steps. First, launch PLS Donate in Roblox and join a server. Walk around the map until you find an unclaimed booth that says unclaimed above it. Walk up to the booth and press and hold the E key on your keyboard or tap and hold the claim button on mobile. Once claimed, your username and avatar photo will automatically appear at the top of the stand. To add buttons or customize your booth, press and hold the E key again to open the stand settings menu. Here, you can type in a custom text goal or title for your booth, like Goal 100 Robux, to attract other players. If you already have game passes or clothing items created on your Roblox account, your donation buttons will automatically display on your stand. And there you go. Your stand is officially set up and ready to accept donations. If this quick guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast Roblox tutorials.